make these things a stand. So I'm going to bring in this ISO line 1, insert into current design. And again, it's lagging, or maybe not. But okay. And we can see they're inside of one another, but that's, let's see if we can go this way a couple inches and get those away. Let's do 3. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm going to say, okay, I want to put this under this. So I'm going to go to joint, and I'm going to say, all right, I want to do a 2-edge intersection. I want this and this to meet with this. Oops, gotta pick that. Okay, this and this, and that will put that there. And I do a similar thing on the other side. I'm gonna say okay. So this is really the same thing. Here I have a much clearer view of what's happening. So I'm gonna do say okay, and I'm gonna go to joint. Again, this is the one I'm moving. So I want to say that I'm gonna pick that. While I'm out, I'm gonna pick that, the 2-edge intersection, and I'm going to say I want this and this to meet with this and this, and that is not what I want, so I'm going to say cancel, and I'm going to go to joint, edge, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. There we go. I'm going to say okay. So sometimes we mix up, but worked it out. I must have picked the wrong thing, defaulted or something to the second one when I was doing this, I think. But anyway, I worked it out. Looks good.